What's going on, guys? Kyle here from GuideWise. In this video, I will show you how to create professional layouts in Canva. Start off by adding a grid to your design to help you with alignment. In the left column, select elements, then type in grid lines, then simply select it and make sure that it covers your whole page. We then want to position this to back. Now when we are moving our logo or elements around, it will be easier to position with these grid lines. You can then also select your text, go to advanced settings in the top, and then you can change your letter spacing and line spacing. You can also click your text, then select the three dots that says more, and then you can align to page. So right, left, center, top, middle, or bottom. Make sure that you keep spacing consistent between your designs, and make sure that you use hierarchy by making important text larger and your subtext smaller. Make sure that you don't overcrowd your design. If this video helped, make sure to give it a like and subscribe.